What the hell are we even doing?
What are we doing, Jeff? So we're finally doing the final test of the whiskey puppet.
Yep.
And you're the final sucker who
Yep.
gets to spill whiskey on themselves. Are you excited?
Not really?
I am. Let's do it.
Man, more than a little bit. I gotta work this thing here.
Lean back. You gotta lean back and get it. Oh, there we go. So now we are at the hardware store and we're shopping for some parts for the whiskey Puppeteer device. So I think we gotta start with some rope. And I think we need 4 rings. The other thing we need is some eye hooks, but with some bolts through them. U-bolts to hold the straps. Use longer ones, I think. Give me some more flexibility. And some more shorter ones for the board. All right, so next up is straps. I think we're gonna use just normal tie-down straps as the straps to hold this contraption on your back. Thinking something like these, so to ratchet them. I should just have the ones just like pull tight. Now I gotta buy a lot of plumbing parts. Wish me luck. Ugh, hate this part, but I kind of love it. So I'm cutting the back lengths, back support bars. I think I'm gonna have it roughly 18 inches on those pipes. I think 22 inches total, but yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pre-cut those. Yeah, whiskey puppet. Jeff?
Tell me more.
Are we ready to assemble a whiskey puppet thing?
I'm not exactly sure what that means, but yes.
It's like a drinking game, and really it's supposed to be for beer.
Okay.
But it seems how we have whiskey friends and not beer friends. Well, I guess we do have some beer friends. But,
We do have some beer friends.
Okay, so I already pre-cut some of the PVC pipes. So the important part now will be is trying to remember if I can put them in the right order to build whatever we're So the idea is to have a basically rectangle frame on my back, and that will support the majority of the weight.
Okay.
And then coming up over the top of my head and out is another piece of PVC pipe that will hold some strings that will actually hold a platform, and that's what you'll move around to get the beer glass in your mouth. Or whiskey.
Whiskey.
So let's start assembling some PVC parts with our fantastic glue. This will go something roughly like this. And then this one in between. So that's general shape. Now it needs to all be squished in and stuff. That's the general shape that will be going on my back. So now let's glue all these together.
Don't get too into it.
How about you don't tell me what to do? Jeff, it smells good over here.
I doubt that a lot. Oh, Jesus. Now I can smell it. Ooh. Ooh.
Do you smell the colors
That's
of
strong.
the rainbow? I forgot you were a big hunter and you'd know that kind of thing.
Dude. Like literally the one time I went fucking hunting, like we literally bought a bottle of, I think it was deer piss or something from the store. And like my stepdad at the time made me, what the hell is happening here? What the hell are you doing?
It's crooked.
Jesus.
I can't believe it went on and it has not straightened it out. All that, and it's a little crooked. It will not budge. Holy smokes, I've never seen it do that before. Okay. Did you look at that thing? I cannot believe that thing did not budge. We're gonna give that a shot.
It's just gonna be crooked.
It's gonna be a little crooked.
That's all it is.
Whew. That is, I've never seen it grab like that. This CPVC stuff is a little different, I guess. Did you see how fast I started trying to jump on it? To get
Yeah, I did.
It would not go.
That's why I said, what in the hell is happening?
I was asking the same question. Jeff, we did it on purpose. Matt, edit all this out. Actually, it's not bad.
Yeah, no,
Like
that's pretty good. Yeah. That might be better
alright,
than
yeah.
originally planned.
Yeah, it makes me maybe alright. I mean, you do kind of hit it a little bit, but that's okay.
Yeah.
Because it kind of gives you some
Feeling of where it is.
And,
Yep.
and then what's kind of nice is this is now coming out. So now this part will be coming down a little bit, which is I'm fine with that as well. So okay, that's how we meant. It was meant to be.
It was meant to.
It was.
It was not. It was definitely not meant to be.
It was as engineered.
But that's where. But that's where we landed.
So what I'm thinking is we cut, because we're gonna switch down to using 1-inch pipes. So we're gonna cut somewhere around in here a square of this. You'll see in a second, going right here, that the strings are gonna hang from. I know it's gonna scoot back some when I tighten everything, but it still looks like it's too far out in front of me. Because like you couldn't get your, if a glass is hanging underneath that, like that's too far away from your mouth, you'd have to like, really tilt it back. So I think we need to scoot it back some. This is the point where somebody watching is gonna say like, hey, this is the time you need to slow down and think about it just for a second.
That's literally not what we do.
It's literally not. I think that actually did okay.
You know what it is, Cory?
Yep.
It's good enough.
Good enough
for government work.
Yes, it's good enough for government work. Because you know what? We don't have time for, Jeff? Any of that nonsense. All right.
Oh God. Okay.
Dope.
Ooh. Ooh. I like that.
I like it.
Yep.
Yeah, okay. Well. Okay. Well, that's that. It's all assembled now. So we're not gonna go back on that now. That's definitely how we wanted it. Actually, what I was actually buying these for is because I thought we were gonna do 2-inch.
Oh,
And then I
gotcha.
was like, no, let's make this smaller so it's less weight.
Sure.
Because I really do design in the store. I really do walk into Home Depot and be like, or Lowe's or wherever. Be like, yeah, that looks, I can probably make that work. And then I get home, I'm like, oh, probably should have. So these are the straps. We're gonna run tie-down straps through there. Okay, so now I am going to drill the holes for these, which will hold this little platform up. So we're just gonna go for it.
Okay.
Okay, so check that out.
Nice.
So this will be hanging below that thing. And so this will be what the strings go through.
You know what I like most about this project?
What's that?
The testing.
Yeah. Could be interesting. So I need this to sit on the platform.
Okay.
I'll probably put it stacked a little bit towards the front so that way you're not having to like, you know.
Right. Right.
Also, if it's off balance, it's just better to have more challenges
Sure.
for this to work. But you see that little bevel right there?
Yep.
So I need to cut one of these that will fit over this big part.
Oh, to
And
hold
then a
it.
second one that will slide in and catch this part.
Gotcha.
So that way it'll be somewhat trapped. So
Yep.
something like that.
Yep.
So I think what I'm going to do is drill through both with this size, because this size, if you look, is smaller than the bulb. This big part.
Yep.
But big enough to fit over that. So I'm going to drill through both of them with this, and then another one I'm going to drill a larger hole so the whole thing will sit down in. You'll see in a second. Stop
Copy that.
describing, just do.
Yep.
Gotcha.
A few moments later.
Like that.
Ooh. Ooh. Okay.
Now
Okay.
that holds it. See? Now it won't come out.
Nice.
So this is a 2 1/8 inch hole saw. Whew. This is not how I wanted it to go. So now what we're going to look at doing is running this strap through here and through here. Okay, there's that one. Well, I know you like this, Jeff. This is a pretty good idea. You gotta be like, well, he actually, he may not be a professional, but that's not a bad idea that he has right there.
Oh my God. No way.
And so you have the belt that goes around,
Right.
keeps it up, you know,
Sure.
from dipping on you. Pretty good. Pretty happy, Jeff. So now this will hang off of these.
Yep.
And we will have strings down here that go from here to here to here.
Okay.
And so you'll be adjusting them down here. So that's what we kind of need to do now is run some rope through here, tie it to here, and kind of leave a long piece.
Yep.
And then we have these loops. So we'll have 2 loops down here, one for like your thumb and your pinky. So you have to
Gotcha.
do this, you know, business.
Yep. Yep.
To try to adjust it and get it to be
Whiskey puppet.
Oh God. Strings. Do you like multicolor yellow and green and blue, or do you want red?
I'm more of a fan of red. What a...
It's also whiskey disco. So I thought this would be.
You asked my opinion.
Yep.
I gave it to you. You defied me,
I did.
and then I called you a...
Yep. Well, that is accurate. But you know what? I'm impervious with my shields. And we need 5 feet.
It is very difficult for me to take you seriously right now with that contraption on your back. Specifically hanging over your head. That's the whole thing.
I wish I didn't have to do it this way, Jeff, but it's just the law.
Well, you don't have to, but you're choosing to.
It's not my choice. I didn't. This is actually maybe the way to do it. Just build it on yourself.
When you were telling me about this, it was just like, this is a thing that really exists.
It is. It's got to. This has got to be like originated where you're from, like Michigan or something. This seems like Michigan
Probably
kind of thing.
bored-ass people.
All right, here we go.
When you're snowed in, oh my God, no way.
So I need to cut the rope shorter because my arms aren't long enough. But like,
Oh
because this is no whiskey disco without a mounted light. Oh, a disco light. We gotta have the disco light up there. Actually, yeah, let's just temporarily use one of the zip ties we just bought. You want to, actually a good tip for zip ties, Jeff? Cut the middle of the bag like this,
Okay,
just a little bit like that.
yeah.
And what you can do is grab the zip tie.
Just pull one out at a
Yep.
time.
Mm-hmm.
Interesting.
Like this.
They don't
And then that way
spill
they
out
don't-
all,
they don't
yeah.
spill out everywhere.
Right.
All right, Jeff, here we go. I'm gonna pour some hard seltzer. Ooh, classic lemonade. That's a good one. This is a bad idea. This is a real bad idea.
Dude, I love every moment of this.
Don't.
I love every moment of this.
I don't know about this. I take it back. This is a bad idea. Okay. Okay, here we go. Come on up.
I like that there's the disco lights all over you right now.
Yeah,
It's amazing.
Oh God, it's a little bit different with liquid in it.
Oh my God.
Okay. Okay.
Oh my God.
Other way, other way, other way. Oh. Success? Question mark. Success, Jeff. As you can tell. Complete success. Okay, so now we need to like paint it and put the speaker on, and then we need to deliver it to the Whiskey Tribe.
Yes,
For Rex
definitely.
and Daniel to whoever to experiment with.
Yes.
Dude, I think we built it.
Oh my God.
That is fantastic. Jeff, what are we doing?
We are testing out the whiskey disco.
Think it's going to be successful?
Ooh boy, I think everybody is going to get whiskey spilled
Yes.
out, for sure.
We have a bunch of people here from Crowded Barrel Distillery. They're all my heroes. I love them to death. All right, how you feeling?
Like I've been drafted. Give me more than a little bit. I gotta work
Thirsty?
this thing here. Okay, here we go. Let's see.
Oh, he's gonna do it. He's got it. This is the tricky part when you gotta lean it back, especially when he gets the surprise right here in a second.
To the surprise? Oh, okay.
There's a little bit of a surprise. You gotta tilt it back. You gotta tilt it back. Oh, no, there's a surprise.
Okay, there. Even it out. And
Oh, he's getting closer. A valiant effort, sir.
I still failed you.
Never. You never failure in my heart. What do you think, Kyle?
Who's that guy?
You gonna get it?
More lights.
More lights?
Maybe some fire.
We'll do a no light for John. John?
No light for John.
It's all you, buddy.
All right, I'm gonna cheat.
Oh, what's he doing here? Crossing the streams?
Uh-oh.
I don't know what that even means. Ooh, interesting.
Ooh.
Interesting method. This may not be his first one. That's pretty good. He got a lot of it.
Not too shabby.
That's pretty good. All right, John in the lead with some in his mouth and some on his shirt. I mean, it's a light cheat. What do y'all think? Is that cheating? I still don't think it's super cheating.
Well, you could have told me that before I started.
All right, Kyle.
All right.
It's all you, buddy. Oh, he's been thinking about it. Oh, a little.
I got more.
Just a little.
I'm good.
Oh, I think he's got it.
Oh my God.
There you go.
Just a little bit. He's still got some more left in there. Oh, he's doing a splash method? Way to be, Kyle.
I got it.
Kyle's got it.
I can get it on me, not in me, right?
Total success.
Now, Jeff got to laugh at me spilling this all over me. Now I get to laugh at Jeff spilling this all over him.
Y'all got that?
What the hell are we even doing?
What are we doing, Jeff? I don't even know what we're doing. So we're finally doing the final test of the whiskey puppet.
Yep.
And you're the final sucker who
Yep.
gets to spill whiskey on themselves. Are you excited?
Not really?
I am. Let's do it.
All right, so these, this.
Got it. Oh, look at
Okay.
he's a master already. He won't spill a drop. I got a good feeling.
I'm glad somebody does.
No drop Jeff is what they called him. The big sipper. This is the best footage I've ever seen in my life. When he goes around his nose, I'm zoomed in only on his nose right now. Oh. Good. Now you gotta lean back. You gotta lean back and get it. Oh, there we go.
It literally did go up my nose.
Thanks, everybody. Thanks, Jeff.